Do you have yarn laying around that you don't know what to do with? Or maybe just looking for a new craft? Don't worry, I have you covered with over 20 different craft ideas that use mostly yarn. Gather 3 rings or embroidery hoops for this fun and easy idea. Use hot glue to wrap the yarn of your choice as shown, halfway up the hoop. Hang where you like and you have yourself some unique home decor. Grab a frame and a small ring, then wrap the yarn around the ring as shown and attach to the sides of the picture frame. It reminds me of a sun. This is so unique and so pretty. As you can see, the creator of this used half circles of wood and then placed yarn along the inside edges of the top, ensuring the bottom is cut straight. You could do a variation by adding beads, charms, or braids to the yarn. This complicated piece of art features several different macrame knots along with a weaving technique. This is a simple yet elegant yarn wall hanging. Grab some yarn that varies in color tones and then place on a long piece of wood as shown. Use hot glue to attach the yarn to the wooden top. Take 3 hoops and attach a variety of yarn to the hoops, letting it hang down. Then cut the bottoms in a V. Hang the hoops, and you are set. This one is my absolute favorite. I love how you can see the wall through the yarn. It looks very complicated to make though. Be sure to vote for your favorite in the comments below. If I get at least 100 votes, I'll recreate the winning idea in a video. Use a variety of colored yarn for this simple wall hanging. This is a variation of number 14, using a variety of yarn colors attached to a long dowel. However, this one has additional decorative yarn across the front. Just like you do with a girl's hair, separate the long yarn pieces into sections and then tie it up. Leave about 1.5 inches between each tie. This uses the same concept as many before, however we are using rings to wrap the yarn on, and adding some faux greenery. This one must have taken a lot of time to complete. It's very beautiful and unique. take one smaller and one larger hoop and wrap the yarn around the hoops, leaving an equal amount of space all the way around. Or do a variation using a CD. Thank you so much for watching the creative list of ideas. I hope you got some value out of the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. It would help me out a ton. I work really hard on my videos. Also, be sure to hit the thumbs up button to help push my videos out to other people that would also enjoy this type of content. And once again, that would help me out a ton, and I do work hard on the videos. So you have a fantastic, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, love you, and bye!